Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this Volvo key fob. Here's the things you need. You need a 2032 battery, you just need one of them. And you can get these on Amazon, they're not expensive at all. And there's a link below in the description that will take you straight to Amazon. You can get what you need. And then you need a Torx bit. This is a T8. And this is what you use to take out this screw right here. I've gone ahead and done this so we can save a little bit of time, but that is what you need. And then once you take out that screw, you can separate it, but there's two little notches right there. So kind of pull it out and then twist a little bit, and that'll take it out of those notches. All right, there's the motherboard, and then here is your battery. So you just go ahead and take that out. That says plus side down. So take your new battery, place it in there, and put these back, line those both up, slide them in. You can put your key ring on there if you've got one. I don't. And just put your little screw back in there and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.